everyone, this is Varsha and welcome to my channel. So, did you ever come across this problem where you actually want to run your Python programs and you're not really able to? Either you have some installation problem or that is that you don't have your laptop at that point of time. So, and you really want to know your output of your Python program. So, there's one step solution for this. You can use your Android phones to run your Python programs. Yes, you have heard it right. You can use your Android phones to run your Python programs. All you need to do is that you have to just install this amazing app in your Android phone and you need to write your programs and just execute it and you will find your output. You can import any type of libraries like the pandas, the numpys, the matplotlib, any type of library and you can use it. So let's go to the installation part of this app, and also this app does not require a lot of storage on your phones. I know there's a lot of storage problem many a times in many of the phones, but yes, this requires only 46 of MB, which I think so you can afford if you really want to study Python and you're not really able to find the output of the program. So let's go to the installation part. Okay, so just open your Play Store and just type Pyroid 3, and here you can see this one. This is the Pyroid 3 IDE for Python. Install this. So here it shows that we have 4.4 rating and also it requires 46 of MB of storage. Okay, so here you can see this app is installed, so I'll just open this. So if you're installing this for the first time on your Android, it will take some time. And here it is. For example, if I write print, I'll write hello, and I'll be clicking this yellow terminal button, and here you can see it is the output that is hello. Okay. So now if you want to import some library, for example, so what you want to do is that go to pip and here type the library. For example, I'll type pandas and I'll click on install. So it says that allow Pyro 3 to access photos, media, contents and files on your device. Click on allow. And here it says that the Pyro repository plugin is missing. So just click on get plugin and go to the App Store, and here it will download this Pyroid repository plugin. So I'll just download this. Okay, so my plugin was installed and here you can see I'll click on install again. And here my pandas library will be installed. Here you can see looking in indexes, collecting pandas, collecting numpy, and it's downloading. So here our installation is completed. It is written over here successfully installed numpy, pandas, and Python dateutil and many other libraries. So what we're going to do is let's run a program. So if I write import pandas as PD and let's run a program, I'll write s1 is equal to pd dot series, in which I'll include the data, is equal to 1 2 3 4. Okay, and next let's print this and let's see the output. So I'll click on this yellow button, and here you can see on the terminal itself the output is 1 2 3 4. By default we have index 0 to 1 2 3 and the data type. So if you have seen the previous tutorials of series that I have uploaded, the same type of output we are getting on our Android phones. Apart from all this, also we have some new features, like suppose we have this terminal over here. So if I type Python and I click on next, and here if I print hello and let's execute this. Yes, it says there's some syntax error, so I'll print it again. And here you can see we have the output on our terminal also. Okay, so apart from all this, also we have some other things also, like here we can share our code. Also we can see some samples. For example, suppose I have these samples over here. If I click on NumPy and if I click on arrays, I'll open this, and here I can see some NP arrays programs that I have got from samples. Okay, also I can share this, I can publish this on my net. Just click on paste bin. I loved this feature also. So I click on paste bin. For example, suppose this program I would really want to share it on net, so I click on paste bin, and here it says, are you sure you want to publish a paste? Your source code will be available on pastebin.com by a direct link only. And just click on yes, and here you will get this link. Just copy this URL, and here you can see your code is published. For example, if I paste this, here it is. My import panda says pd s1 is equal to pd.series and the data, and I printed it. That was the same program that I have executed over here. So I love this feature as well. Apart from all this, also in settings we have different types of settings. Like in appearance, we can change the appearance. If I want to change to some solidized dark, light, or monokai, or anything, it depends on me. Also I can increase the font size, I can change the font, and let's see the editor now. Here you can see my editor's changed. Okay, so we have other features also, like the editor. Also we have word wrap and many other settings. You can go through these settings and you can check it out. So this app is very useful for those people who are actually not having their laptops at this point of time and they want to run your Python program. So just install this app and you can use it in your Android phone, and also does not require a lot of storage. Also, I know there is sometimes some storage problems in many of your phones, so it does not require that lot of storage. Also, this has a feature like go to line. If I want to go to some particular line, for line 1 for example, so it will go to line 1, and if I want to go to line 3, so I'll click on go to line 3. So it also has this feature. Also it has this thing, get names, go to assignment, go to definitions. So there are many features. Also here you can see there are different types of symbols that is given over here, special characters like the colon that is used in slicing, also the open bracket, curly brackets, closing the curly brackets. So this app is just amazing for you, and this is the one-stop solution of running your Python programs in your Android phones. So just install this app. I will give the app link in the description if you want. This is amazing, so just install it. So I hope that you liked this video, and I hope that it has solved some of your problems, that you're able to run your Python programs on your Android phones. So I'll give the link in the description box of this app. Also, I have created a video on Python Panda series, in which you can learn your Python Panda series in 2 hours with my detailed notes, also with handwritten notes. So you can access those notes as well. I'll give the link of that video in the description box as well. So till then, just goodbye. Please like, share, and subscribe this video. Bye.